Thanks, Mrs. Ely, for sharing your screen.
So I think this is really similar to what we did for the wise old woman. So first we have to figure out what letter we are. Student with the first name closest to A will go first. So Patterson, you're A. I'm B.
I'm C.
And I'll be D.
Okay, nice. That's done.
Okay, so it looks like I go first. Person A says, read this. Part 1, highlight specific details in the first paragraph that describe the day the lottery takes place.
Okay. Person B, read paragraph 1 aloud to your group. Okay, so I think I'm just supposed to read the paragraph to you guys. Let's see. Paragraph 1. The morning of June 27th was clear and sunny with the fresh warmth of a full summer day. The flowers were blossoming profusely and the grass was richly green. The people of the village began to gather in the square between the post office and the bank around 10 o'clock. In some towns, there were so many people that the lottery took 2 days and had to be started on June 26th. But in this village, where there were only about 300 people, the whole lottery took less than 2 hours. So it could begin at 10 o'clock in the morning and still be through in time to allow the villagers to get home for noon dinner.
Person C is me. Read the vocabulary word profusely and the definition aloud to the group. In large amounts, great quantity, profusely.
All right, person D, I get to read this. On the next slide, highlight specific details that describe the day the lottery takes place. All right, so I guess we need to go to the next slide. All right. And there's the directions, the same directions at the top. So we're going to highlight details that describe the day of the lottery.
Are specific details, those are just words, or can they be sentences?
I think both, right?
Okay.
Yeah, like you said, it's just whatever you want.
It just has to describe the day. So what were you going to underline, Patterson?
Well, I mean, there's the whole kind of first sentence, I feel like, but maybe if you want specific details, it should be more things like morning of June 27th, clear and sunny. Those are very specific.
Okay, I see the word summer. Do you think that's important? It says it was warmth of a summer day. Does that mean it's warm like a summer day?
Yeah, full summer day. It's different from a half summer day.
Cool. I feel like we're pretty much good on that. Maybe we should look at the next slide.
Okay. Oh, this is where we share out what we highlighted. Okay. I'm B. Let's see. Person B. One line that I would highlight in the first paragraph that describes the day is read what you would or did highlight. Oh, so the first sentence. And then some words I remember were June 27th and summer day.
Okay, and I'm person C. I agree with you that those words do show up in the paragraph and that they're good highlights. I would add, it's 10 o'clock in the morning. So they say 10 o'clock twice, which seems kind of important. And I'm going to go with noon dinner. I like the words noon dinner. That's kind of weird. So I'm going to go with that.
Cool. Are we good to move on to part 2? So I'll start us off since I'm person D. Why do you think the story gives specific details about the setting? I think the author gives specific details because